Same is true for y also. In that case, we have to equate to 0 the coefficient of highest degree term in y. Okay. Then we understood how to find the existence. After that, we understood how to when the loop exists. For that, 3 conditions are there. Okay. Next is then we have to trace the curve considering the table and all above points. So let me go through the next example right now. Question is like this. Hope this is visible. Anyone remember the page number? Previous page number. Anyone is having the previous page number? Okay, so timing, I'll leave that. Right, trace the curve. Done. X square plus y square equal to a x square minus y square, provided a is greater than 0. Solution. Right, given curve is x square plus y square equal to a x square minus y square on 1. Symmetry. Yes, is all the powers of x are even? All the powers of x are
No.
even? 1 minute. Arpit, is all the powers of x are even?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so is it symmetric about y-axis? No. Is the all powers of y are even? We have y square and minus y square. Yes. No. All powers of y are even. Right. All powers of y are even. Therefore, right, curve is symmetric about x axis. Second, origin. Right, point of intersection, and we want to check whether it is passing through origin or not. Okay, so right, x square plus y square equal to a x square minus y square. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. What we are getting? Curve passes through origin. Hope everyone is getting this. Now we want to find tangent at origin. Tangent at origin. Okay, so write the equation. X cube plus xy square equal to ax square minus ay square. Degrees. Yes, what are the degrees? 3 here, 3 here, 2 here, 2 here. Okay, so you have to consider degree of every term. Okay, so now write down by Newton's method. How to find the tangent? Lowest degree term. Equal to 0. Ax square minus ay square equal to 0. Hope you are getting this. You can fast.
Sir, 1 minute.
Complete. Okay, so let me change the page. Let us y equal to x and y equal to minus x. How many tangents are there? Two tangents. Let us. Two tangents at origin. So what is conclusion? So origin is a double point, but two tangents are distinct. So origin is, yes,
Node.
absolutely not. Double point having two different tangents is a node. Origin is a node. Okay. And third point, intercept. X-intercept. Write the equation. To find x-intercept, substitute y equal to 0. Only one x-intercept. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. Origin. Next one, y-intercept. So again write the equation. Now substitute x equal to 0.
Hello, sir. आपण जर y is equals to 0 put
It is
केला तर इथे x cube is equals to a into x square येईल ना.
एक minute. Y equal to 0 put केला हा ना, correct. Absolutely.
X cube is equals to a into x square येईल ना.
हो ना एकच मिनिट. X cube equal to a x square, absolutely. So we have x and x square, sorry, and x minus a. Absolutely, no doubt. Two x intercepts, 0, 0 and a 0. Hope everyone is getting this. Very good, thank you. Then y-intercept, now we have to substitute x equal to 0. So, okay. Y-intercept is only 1, 0, 0. So now see, till how many points on the curve are known to us? कितने पॉइंट पता है हमें कर्व के ऊपर के? एक तो है 0, 0 and another is a0. Getting ना? Okay, चलो next. Let me change the page. Next is asymptote, write down. Right. Parallel to x-axis. So we have to equate to 0 the coefficient of highest degree term in x. So let me simplify the equation. X cube xy square equal to ax square minus ay square. Degree of x only that is required, huh? So 3, 1, 2, degree of x only. So highest degree term in x, which is that x cube. So coefficient equal to 0. So 1 equal to 0, which is not possible. No asymptote parallel to x-axis. This is the conclusion. There is no asymptote parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to y-axis. हाँ
तो कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल्स टू 0 हम उसको असाइन कर रहे हैं, तो वो जो भी हायर डिग्री टर्म होगी वो तो 0 ही होगी ना फिर.
No, 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 no. It is not like that. We'll see that in second case, next case only. है ना? अगले केस में देखते हैं.
ओके.
हाँ, parallel to y-axis. So write the equation once again. But good question, no problem. Right? Degree of y. Usually we feel like that only. And a degree of y like this. Highest degree term in y. बताओ क्या है? X y square plus ay square. I am taking all the terms to one side, huh? Take two terms are there, x y square and minus ay square. But since we are not interested in equation, we are interested in term. So write all the terms on one side. So it may be plus or it may be minus. Both the terms will be negative or both the terms will be positive. Okay. That is x plus ay square. Now what is coefficient? Get it? Asymptote. Hope everyone is getting this. Fifth point, existence. See, the terms in existence of curve, right? The terms in x are x cube, x square. Right? So all types of terms are there in x. So x equal to writing x as a function of y is not possible. Okay, this is not possible. Whereas there is single term in y square. So writing y square equal to function of x, writing y as a function of x, this is possible. So let me do that. Okay, so like this, x cube plus xy square plus ay square equal to ax square. Right, take all the terms in only x to other side.
सर ते बघा.
Okay. Like this. So in next step I'll write y square equal to. Okay, let me change the page. And now if you have not understood how to check the existence of the curve, please understand it in next example. This is correct, check this, since I don't have the previous page. So now we want to make different parts of the x-axis. How? Like this, numerator equal to 0. Okay, denominator equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Okay, we'll start with the first part. You have to keep this in mind. First part. Take any value of x between minus infinity to minus a. Hope you might have understood how the different intervals are obtained. Numerator equated to 0. From there we got x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Denominator equated to 0. From there we got x equal to minus a. So 3 points that will divide the x-axis in 4 parts. Minus infinity to minus a to 0, 0 to a to infinity. Okay, now let's substitute x equal to minus 2a in equation number 1. So minus 2a square, 4a square, a minus of minus 2a and a minus 2a. Less than 0 since a is already written positive. Curve hope you might have understood this part. Y square is negative means y is imaginary. Remember this. And therefore imaginary numbers cannot be shown on the xy plane, Cartesian plane. Therefore curve does not exist. Next interval. Take any value. Take minus a by 2. X square. We are able to find the value of y. Curve exists in minus a to 0. Getting everyone now? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let me change the page. Okay, like this. Next interval. X square.
सर ए स्क्वायर बाय 4 है ना सर?
Absolutely. Square root of 12 is 2 root 3. So conclusion. Take the last interval. So a minus x. divided by a plus x. Curve does not exist. So you might have understood. Curve exists between minus a to plus a only. You can write this as a conclusion. Curve exists. Curve exists between minus a to plus a. Clear? Understood? Next. Loop. What is required? 2x intercepts. Yes, we have. Curve exists between these two. Yes, we proved it here. What about on either side? For x greater than a, curve does not exist, right? We obtained this before some time. So what is conclusion? Loop exists between x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Hope you might have understood. Okay. Fifth, sixth, whatever the point is, I don't know which point it is. Then I don't. Table. You want to consider table of values, okay? Right. Since curve is symmetric about x-axis and exists in, where it exists? X between plus a to a. Considering suitable values, that is values between minus a to a only. Yeah? Don't take x greater than a or less than minus a. No doubt you will get y square negative. Can I change the page? Written up to this step. समझते सर्वना, ये समझ में आ रहा है सबको? क्या लिख रहे हैं हम? Are you getting it? सबने क्या डिसाइड किया कि कुछ नहीं बोलना है? अथर्व देशमुख, अथर्व देशमुख, समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? अंजलि,
यस सर.
अंजलि, अंजलि का आवाज ऐसे कैसे आ सकता है? अंजलि A8. अरे अंजलि क्या करते हैं? अंजलि is not here. अमे,
Yes, sir.
सुकृत, सुकृत गेला कुठे?
Yes, sir.
ओके. आकांक्षा, ओके. प्रियंका पाटिल,
Yes, sir.
अनिकेत, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
मैत्री, आर यू गेटिंग इट? सिद्धांत यादव, आर यू गेटिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स?
Yes sir.
यश निकम, आर यू हियर?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. Sujay. Sujay, where is Sujay? Sonal Shinde,
Yes, sir.
Dhruv Patil,
Yes, sir.
Karthik Rathod.
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है समझ में ना?
Yes, sir.
या थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है, चमक नहीं रहा है? Are you getting it or not? डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है क्या?
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. यानी आपको बिफोर कमिंग टू द लेक्चर ना, यू हैव टू रिवाइज व्हाटएवर द थियरी पार्ट करस्पॉन्डिंग टू Cartesian curve study. No doubt, only 2-3 examples are not sufficient. We should solve 5-6 examples. Unfortunately, we don't have that much time. Okay, let me continue. Y square equal to क्या था, कोई बता सकता है? Y square equal to x square. अच्छा, sorry. I think I have not changed the page. Yes, let me change the page. Hold on. Y square equal to x square a minus x divided by a plus x. Chalo. We have to consider values between minus a to plus a only. चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या वैल्यू हम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं और whether it is possible to find few more conclusions from there. Minus a when x equal to minus a. Before some time we obtained this value. In existence C we have obtained the value. Page number 19, last part. It was like this. Plus minus root 3 by 2a. ये थोड़ा सा आप use calcium find root 3 by 2. I think it is 0.85. आप एक बार चेक करो. Plus minus 0.85 आएगा. ठीक है. I'm writing fractional values, sorry, decimal values also. Then minus a by 2. जरा देखो आप क्या आ रहा है minus a by 2 के लिए. नहीं सॉरी, ये minus a by 2 के लिए था, है ना? आई एम रॉन्ग. माइनस ए के लिए आप देखो, सॉरी, दिस वैल्यू वाज फॉर माइनस ए बाई 2. माइनस ए के लिए क्या आएगा? इंफिनिटी आएगा. सब्स्टिट्यूट माइनस ए इन डिनोमिनेटर, प्लस माइनस ए 0, राइट? एनी नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज इंफिनिटी, नो डाउट, एक्सेप्ट 0. बट हियर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग 0 इन न्यूमरेटर. और प्लस माइनस ए क्यों आ रहा है? क्या है ये? What is this? Asymptote. चलो 0 पुट करो, x इक्वल टू 0. देखो क्या आ रहा है? 0 आएगा. x इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू 0. कर्व पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. ओके. a बाय 2 पुट करो. एग्जिस्टेंस में हमने ये फाइंड किया है. हाउ मच इज इट? आई थिंक a डिवाइडेड बाय 2 रूट 3. चेक कीजिए आप. कहाँ गया? बताओ, आपके पास लिखा रहेगा, मेरे पास अभी है नहीं वो. Is it like this?
प्लस माइनस a by 2 रूट 3.
हाँ, 1/2 रूट 3 का कोई वैल्यू मुझे थोड़ा सा कैलसीप के ऊपर फाइंड करके बताओ. 1/2 रूट 3. 1/. देखो जरा क्या है.
0.288.
0.289.
हाँ, यानी 0.3 लिख सकते हैं शॉर्ट में. दैट इज ओके. 0.3a. ओके. अब ये a पुट करते हैं. विल सब्स्टिट्यूट a, सो इट विल बी 0. सफिशिएंट है, इतने सफिशिएंट है. ओके. सो समरी और फिर कर्व ट्रेस करते हैं. 1 सिमेट्री अबाउट व्हाट? x एक्सिस. Second, origin. Is it passing through origin? Why not? Yes. Tangent. 2 tangent है. Plus x and minus x. इसलिए what is it? Origin is a double point and it is node. X intercept. x इक्वल टू 0 एंड x इक्वल टू a, थोड़ा सा चेक कीजिए, y इंटरसेप्ट सिंगल ओनली, y इक्वल टू 0, एसिम्टोट, वही तो एसिम्टोट आया था। What was the asymptote? X equal to minus a, right? That is, curve will intersect x equal to minus a at infinity. Fifth, asymptote के बाद existence, exist between minus a to plus a only. Sixth, loop, exist in, yes, where it exists, x between 0 to a, यहाँ पे लूप एग्जिस्ट है। फिर टेबल ऊपर है, और अब हमें लास्ट पॉइंट ट्रेस करना है उसको। थोड़ा सा आप ट्राई करो, 2 minutes आर देयर, ट्राई इट योरसेल्फ।
आला सर ना,
ट्राई करो, चलो करो। आला, आर यू एबल टू ट्रेस इट? वेरी गुड। चलो मैं ट्राई करता हूं। ओके, कुणाचा आला आन्सर? हु गॉट द आन्सर? एनीवन गॉट द आन्सर? Who got the answer? Who traced the curve? Anyone who can show it on the Shreys.
सौरभ निकुंभ.
सौरभ, हे सौरभ कुठे गेलास? सौरभ पळून गेला कुठे? ठीक, नो प्रॉब्लम। किधर जाना है हमें? हाँ, इधर जाना है। चलो ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। Let me trace the curve. X axis, Y axis, origin, ठीक है? X equal to A, to A, and now so on. Minus A. It is not up to scale, so whenever required, I'll make the required adjustment. Okay, so let me start with the first point. Curve is symmetric about the x-axis, therefore it is sufficient to trace the curve above x-axis. By symmetry, I can trace the curve in third and fourth quadrant. I think this is clear. Second, passing through the origin, so one point on the origin is known to us. Okay. Then two tangents are there at origin. X equal to a, sorry, y equal to x, and y equal to minus x. These are the two tangents. थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है, हाँ। वो now this is not making exact two parts of the second and fourth quadrant. Tangent at origin, in fact. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। आफ्टर टेंजेंट हमने पढ़ा x इंटरसेप्ट, x इक्वल टू 0, x इक्वल टू a. So one more point on the curve is known. One is origin and other is x equal to a. Then y intercept, y equal to 0. There is nothing new. Asymptote, x equal to minus a, यानी ये asymptote है। देखो ये asymptote है। Asymptote is like this. हाँ, मैं लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे x equal to माइनस ए, एसिम्टोट। आ रहा है सबको समझ में? ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है वो एसिम्टोट है, दैट इज कर्व विल इंटरसेक्ट दिस लाइन एट इंफिनिटी। ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। आगे बढ़ते हैं। एग्जिस्टेंस, सो x इक्वल टू माइनस इंफिनिटी टू दिस इज माइनस ए, कर्व डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, यानी यहाँ पे कर्व है नहीं, डॉटेड लाइन के लेफ्ट साइड में कर्व है नहीं। फिर x इक्वल टू a, so for example suppose I have drawn this line x equal to a, ऐसे लाइन है, तो for x greater than a curve does not exist, यानी यहाँ पे कर्व है नहीं। तो कर्व कहाँ पे है? इन दोनों के बीच में ही है, इस स्ट्रिप में ही। x equal to minus a to x equal to plus a, यहाँ पे ही कर्व एग्जिस्ट होता है। लूप, देयर इज लूप, यहाँ पे लूप है, यहाँ पे लूप है, समझिए आप। हाँ, x equal to 0 to x equal to a, we have a loop। अभी टेबल की तरफ जाते हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट x इक्वल टू माइनस ए, y इक्वल टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी, यही पे कहीं पे पॉइंट मिलेगा. एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू शो इन्फिनिटी ऑन द पेपर, बट लेट मी कंसिडर इट इन दिस वे. x इक्वल टू माइनस ए बाई टू, ये है माइनस ए बाई टू. एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मैं अभी पूछता हूं आपको. सो इट इज 0.85. तो 0.85 इस लाइन के ऊपर आएगा या नीचे आएगा? यस, above the line or below the line?
Sir, above.
Yes, anyone else? Oh, why above the line? Very good question, good answer. Why above the line? Simple है, ये y इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स लाइन है ना, लाइन इज y इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स ना, तो x इज नोन टू अस माइनस ए बाई टू. तो मैं इसको ज्वाइन, थोड़ा सा मुझे ज्वाइन करने दीजिए, हाँ, तो हमें समझ में आएगा. और ये उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग y पॉइंट है. So now say I want to find y. So y is minus x ना, but x तो minus a by 2 है, minus minus plus a by 2 है, ये plus a by 2 आएगा, plus a by 2 and 0.5 a आएगा, तो 0.85 है, तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएगा 0.85 a, right? So corresponding to minus a by 2, y is 0.85, so it will be above the line. जीतते कहीं, समझ में आता है आपको? ये इतना मैथ्स आता है क्या? Whenever x is minus a by 2, here let me join the point to line. और समझना इसलिए मैं लाइन को ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं. What the line is? Y equal to minus x. X is known to us minus a by 2, minus minus it will become plus a by 2. So I'll get corresponding point. यानी इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है? minus a by 2 plus a by 2. So y is 0.5, but y we have 0.85 a. So इसके above रहेगा. Okay, so minus a by 2 or 0.85, I'll get some point somewhere here. And now by symmetry, now I don't have to think. These two lines are symmetric, curve is symmetric about the x-axis. So by symmetry, I'll get point somewhere here. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, यानी origin आएगा. Next point है a by 2. a by 2 यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएगा. a by 2 है ना? तो अभी corresponding to a by 2 what the y is, टेबल देख लीजिए आप, 0.3a है. So 0.3 will be above this line or below this line? Yes, 0.3. अभी हमने देखा ना, ये point a by 2 है, तो corresponding point actually not to the scale है, 0.5 आएगा यहाँ पे, तो 0.3 नीचे आएगा, यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएगा. By symmetry another point will be here. ठीक है? और before some time we have written that between x equal to 0 to x equal to a there is a loop. तो ये ऐसे है, ये लूप आएगा, राइट? और since ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है x equal to minus a, that is asymptote ना, so curve is like this. Curve is like this. Hope सबको समझ में आ रहा है? एटलीस्ट कुछ चीजें तो हमें समझ में आ रही है. Getting everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, trace the curve. I'll trace it once again. Difficult है, मैं भी समझता हूँ कि थोड़ा जल्दी समझना डिफिकल्ट है. और आपने समझा होगा कि ओरिजिन पे देखो टू टेंजेंट्स आर देयर, और जो टेंजेंट है डिफरेंट है ना, two different tangents for the two branches, and therefore origin is a node. You might have observed this also. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
To sub all the conditions that we studied about the curve should be satisfied. और इसके लिए यही आंसर हो सकता है, दूसरा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. And you can cross check it, or you tell me this is the answer, I will tell you why it is wrong. ये टेंजेंट्स है, ये टेंजेंट्स है, यूजुअली अप टू द स्केल नहीं है, इसलिए वो ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है. Up to, it is not up to the scale, therefore little bit changes there. Hope you might have understood. चलो हो गया आपका?
यस सर.
ओके चलो नेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं और कुछ. तो काफी सारी चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर मेनी ऑफ द कांसेप्ट्स, फॉर्मूलाज. ओके प्लीज ट्राई टू रिमेंबर देम. आगे बढ़ते हैं और क्या करते हैं और चलो नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखते हैं. राइट, इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व इन पोलर फॉर्म. पेज नंबर कितना है? 22. Now you should know the polar coordinate system very well, else it is difficult to trace the curve. Okay, तो समझते हैं उसको पहले. Okay, चलो. Equation of curve in polar form. Polar coordinate system consists of a, लिखना है मेरे साथ, लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन known as initial line and a fixed point known as pole. Okay, polar coordinates are, क्या होते हैं polar coordinates? r theta, where r distance of point from pole. Very good. Theta, angle made by.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
12:55 का नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है सर.
हाँ तो मैं छोड़ दूंगा आपको, आप क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो?
नहीं सर, अटेंडेंस.
We are not here for the attendance. I'll take the attendance. Don't afraid about the attendance. समझते हैं पहले क्योंकि टाइम कम है ना. एंगल मेल बाय रेडियस वेक्टर विथ इनिशियल लाइन. अच्छा समझते हैं. ये
सर,
है. हाँ बोला.
तर आपण अटेंडन्स डाउनलोड करू शकता ना?
हो तेच करणार ना. This is the pole. Means origin is pole. In simple words, you remember like this. And initial line is positive part of the x-axis. समझ में आ रहा है? x का जो positive part है ना, x equal to 0 to infinity, that is the initial line. Now suppose I have a point somewhere here. यहाँ पे point है. So what are its coordinates? r and theta. So what is r? Distance of the point from the pole. That's it. थोड़ा सा मुझे change करने दीजिए p को. ये नहीं है p, हाँ, this is the p. And then angle made by this ray OP, vector OP with the initial line, and angle measured anti-clockwise. All these things are very well known to us. So this is r and theta. This is r, this is theta. Getting everyone? तो ऐसे relation है. यदि if I want to convert this into say Cartesian coordinate system, it will be like this. ये y एक्सिस आएगा, ये नेगेटिव x एक्सिस आएगी, नेगेटिव y एक्सिस है ना. आ रहा है समझ में सबको? I think M1 during M1 also we understood how the polar coordinate system works. Okay, और relations भी हमें पता है, लिखते हैं. Write the four relations. शायद हमने ये भी समझा था. Suppose I want to represent the point 370 degree, right? So to be represented in this way, x-axis, initial line. This is the line. So equation of line is theta equal to 70 degree. And on this line we want to take, so this angle is 70 degree. Therefore, On this line, we want to take distance r equal to 3 units. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. And this is the point r. Now we understood this also. Say I have point S, say minus 5 and say 60 degree. Yes, how to show this? Very simple. You have to draw the initial line. Angle 60 degree. This is the angle theta equal to, this is the line theta equal to 60 degree. But r is negative, therefore we have to extend this line by 180 degree. And we have to take distance on extended part. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. This is the point S. If angle is negative, we have to take it clockwise, right? We know all these things very well. We'll continue with this tomorrow. I think time is over. 1 minute only. Let me take the attendance and where is the attendance? Yes, here is the attendance. Download it. You can leave now.
Page.
एकच मिनिट अटेंडन्स जरा सेव्ह करून घेतो. एकच मिनिट. ठीक है, पेज बघा पहिल्यांदा, ते जास्त महत्वाचं. अच्छा, आप निकल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मैंने अटेंडेंस लिया है, आप जा सकते हैं. ट्यूटोरियल असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना है. एनपीटीईएल लेक्चर में सॉरी एनपीटीईएल के कोर्स को क्या करना है? एनरोल करना है, फिर होमवर्क करना है.
कब चालू होगा?
क्या
कोर्स कब बिगिन होगा?
शायद जुलाई एंड कुछ है डेट, अभी याद नहीं मुझे.
26
जुलाई में
से,
26 जुलाई. हाँ,
24 जुलाई.
अच्छा, ओके.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सर.
ओके, थैंक यू. चलो बाय बाय.
बाय सर.
बाय
बाय सर.
बाय बाय.